hands on you, just like ones do at halftime. Put it up above, I don't give a fuck about your whole name or your new name. Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. It's a yes or no, it's a go. Let me know, no.
Of course, I'm going to do my eyeshadow first. I am priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Once the concealer is blended, I'm going to set it with the Airspun translucent powder. For my transition color, I am going to go in the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette in the color Puree. This palette smells fucking great. If you know, you know. Next, I'm going to add Summer Yum to my crease, but I'm going to define it in my crease and not blow it out.
Looking for my interest, you lost it. I pray that you'll grow and you'll realize.
Switching up palettes to the KathleenLights Morphe palette, I'm going to go in the reddish brown color and focus it on my outer V and kind of going in my crease a little bit, but very precisely. My crease work is all done, so I'm going to retouch all the colors that I've used from the Sweet Peach palette and just continue to blend all the colors out. The star of the show is this Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow stick in Douce, and I'm just going to be applying it from the inner corner of my eye to the middle of my eyelid. I am retouching the reddish brown in my outer V because, as you can tell, I really care for pigmentation. Finally, moving on to the face, I'm using my holy grail Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer. As you can see, it's almost gone because I use it that much. I wanted to use a medium to full coverage foundation, so I chose to use the Milani Concealed and Perfect Foundation. I am blending out my foundation with this Kabuki Dense brush I got from Amazon. It was a full set that was very, very affordable, and it works really well. I am applying the concealer where I usually apply it under my eyes, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead, then blending it out with a concealer brush from Sephora. I just noticed that I did not use a sponge at all. My bestie, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast to Contour, right on the temples of my forehead and my cheekbones, then blending it out with this small stippling brush from e.l.f. Haha, I'm kinda fuzzy. My bad, y'all, don't judge me. One of the best contour palettes Cocoa Contour by Too Faced. I'm going into the shade Dark Cocoa to bronze up my face. I am not baking today. I'm just setting my concealer with the Soap and Glory Kick-Ass powder. This powder is very, very lightweight and I recommend it to all my dry skin girls. Now that all my liquid products have been setted with powder, I'm going to go back to the eyes and finish up the waterline with the Sweet Peach palette. The same colors I use for my crease, I am using for my waterline. For a blush, I'm using Burt's Bees in Shy Pink, and I'm just going to be applying it right to my cheekbones. I got a whole pack of new lashes, so I don't have to worry about just keeping it simple with mascara for my tutorials like last time. I am applying mascara to my lower lash line. I have to do this always. It gives me that sultry look that I like. Then I'm going to be wearing the perfect pink lipstick for me. It's by Maybelline and it's called Warm Me Up. Of course, I'm using ABH Nicole Guerriero highlight palette, and I am applying Glo-Getter on the cheekbones of my face, nose bridge, and under eyebrow and inner eye.
Touch you right. Just trying to come shed a little light.